Hi everyone, my name is Pro. I'm here to give a user test for this Smart Penguins website. So when I opened this website, I found the interface is very clearly. And when I scroll down, I can find 4 topics related to the swimming safety. So, and furthermore, there's a table that shows how many children like to play water monthly, and I'll click here. It shows very clearly, and there's also learn swimming and CPR included. I found it's very perfect and sweet. And when I click beach safety, there's a section that tells the function of each color of safety flags on near the beach, and there's also a map that shows the nearest 3 beaches around the current location of mine. So when I click go, then I can see the routine very clearly. Yeah, this one. Yeah. I think this design is thoughtful and very sweet. And there's beach safety video, and also let's see what this checklist is about. So okay, this checklist, okay, I think it's very thoughtful that it lists the essential items for the beach day. Uh, and so, so when I click the public's pool safety, I can also see the map about the 3 nearest swimming pool near me. Yeah, it's basically the same function that as the beach beach safety ones do. And there's also backyard pool safety. Oh, yeah, if I click here, okay, complete. Let's see the checklist about the backyard pool safety. Okay. It's very thoughtful. Basically, it can include the essential information about the backyard pool safety. And let's see the bath safety. Um, this is about the how to bath the babies when I think it's sweet that consider that if children want to swim, and the bathroom safety is also included. I think this sort is sweet. And there's learn swimming. It gives us the information about the swimming school. Yeah, I think it's also sweet. And the last one is CPR. Of course, it's CPR information. It is essential, and there's also all ages of adults. No, all ages of children. CPR video included. I think it's perfect. Overall, I think this website is well well designed and perfect. Thank you.